Okay, here we go. Um, Hello everyone. Welcome to another video for a mocking interview. Um, so this is a random, well, semi-random question. I picked up on LeetCode. I've never seen this question, and this is the first time I ever read the description, and I would try to make this video as short as possible. But given that haven't prepared anything, maybe I could get stuck. But I'm not gonna edit it out. I'm gonna make this video as is, so I can know if there's anything that I can improve. Right? This is like exactly the situation as I would be in a coding interview, except for I'm not gonna see whether it's medium or rare or you know or easy or hard. So let's look at the question. Sometimes people repeat letters to represent extra feeling. Okay, this is somewhat of a practical question. I like it. Right, such as hello would be spelled like hello, hi will become hi, and this string is like hello. We have groups of adjacent letters that are all the same. Okay, for some given string as a query word is stretchy, if it can be made to be equal to s by any number of applications of the following extension operation. So extension, choose a group consisting of character C and add some number of characters C to the group so that the size of the group is 3 or more. Okay. For example, starting with hello, we could do do an extension on the group O to get hello and get this. But we cannot get two O's since the group O is size less than 3. Also, we could do another extension like double L, extend into multiple L's to get hello. Okay, interesting. So we're gonna need to find blocks, like groups of adjacent letters that are the same, and perhaps count them. And then the querying word hello would be stretchy because of these two extension operations, query and hello. Okay, cool, fine. Okay. Interesting. Okay, I think I'm probably gonna need some standard library. That's what I love about Python. It's excellent for coding interviews because it's got a lot of either tools. It's got a lot of useful libraries. Import group by. So what group by can do, if I remember it correctly, it's going to be something like this, right? It's say HDELLOOO. It's gonna be like, it's gonna return tuples, like technically it returns an iterator, like a generator, right? That can generate each time. So it's gonna be like H and then HHH, which is a tuple, and then H and one H, the E and the triple E. I think it should be like this, and L and a double L and the O and a triple O. Right. So first of all, to say group S. Well, because the group by returns actually a generator or an iterator, it's going to be for a single use, and then it would be better if I can store it in a manner like this, like a tuple, a list of tuples, where it's like X and length Y for X, Y in group by big S. Okay. So now I've converted the Y into like this, so it's going to be instead, it's going to be something like 1, 3, 2, 3, right? This is going to be the group S. So then I want to have a helper function, basically says def is like can stretch, let's say a string that can stretch, right? Or a word, right? Yeah, got me, a word, because it's words. Well, damn it. So all right. Locally, I'm gonna create a group for word. followed by, well, let's see. Yes, group by word, and for character and characters in well, I don't actually need to use it. I'm not going to use it more than once, so okay, but I'll need an index 0 for the group S, right? And let's say x n equals to group S I. Now it's the first one, and if length cc equals, so the most fundamental scenario would be the length equals to n, then we do nothing, right? We do nothing. And else, we can change it later. And if it doesn't, then if, excuse me, length cc, sorry, if n is less than 3, right, then it's not actually an extension, so return false. And if it is, continue, right? Else, continue. And in the end, return true. So we don't need this block, and we can change this into unequal. If the length doesn't match, and or n is less, right, or n is less than the length of cc, return false. Exactly. Okay. Okay, then. This is the end of helper function. No. And right, in the end, increment I. Okay. I think there's something more to it. Return, and I need to know if the length is actually matching. How can I do this? How can I, let's say, return if I equals length of group s plus 1, right? Because if there's any extra groups, it should be invalid. Exactly. And then for word in words, so the result is 0, and if n stretch increment res, and then return res. Let's first test it. Oopsie. Oh, the grouper has no length. I wonder what's it gonna be. A grouper. Well, that kind of sucks because I remember group by incorrectly. Let's say this is definitely not gonna work. Has no length. So what is grouper then? Group by. Oh, I need to cast it. Wow. Oh, wow. Okay. I guess the grouper is also an iterator. So that kind of sucks. So okay. That's all right. Minor setback. All right. So length C. Length of list. Okay, they can definitely come up with a solution for the length of an iterator, right? Duh. Python, come on. CC. Then this should do it. Come on. Come on. Why is this error? Damn it. Well, never mind. Pretend you never saw it. And let's change the test case into well, this pretty much tested every edge cases, right? I can say like something like this. It should also be 1. And submit. Come on. Oh, bummer. Ha ha ha. I forgot to check if the character matches. If X is not to C, then return false. Right. And I forgot to test it. Right? I forgot to test if it what if it doesn't match? For something like this, right? A, B, C, C, D. Wow. What? What's unexpected? What? A, B, C, C, D. Exactly. So submit. Yay, faster than 99. Wow. Oh, wow. I guess group by helped a lot. And probably not a lot of people have solved this. But anyways, I made it. Thank you so very much for watching this video. And, well, I cannot get a length of iterator. Of a generator. So I need to I need to cast, actually convert it or cast it. In this case, it's not necessarily casting, right? It's not type casting. Actually, after using this, the generator is destroyed, right? It can only be used once, so unless copied. Am I right? Right. Unless like I create a deep copy of the generator is going to be used and gone once for all. So when I convert it into a list, I've probably destroyed the iterator if I got it right. Please do confirm on yourself, like verify if I'm getting it right on your own. Read about it. itertools. It's a great library of Python, and yeah, that's everything. So it's gonna be the end of the video. Bye bye.